In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Terabox premium features in 2025. So if you want to get the premium features of Terabox, which is no ads or no subscription needed, this video is for you. So in order to do that, let's first head over right here to our Play Store and click onto the search icon. Click onto the search bar and search in here for Terabox. Now in here, head over and then install Terabox right there. So let me head over and open Terabox. Head over and then look for it right here and open it. Once you have done that, you will be prompted to sign up or log in, so make sure to sign up and log in onto this part. Now, Terabox also have ads, but the premium feature doesn't show them as often anymore. Into this, it will also show you the upgrade for that. So into this, just head over and click onto this upgrade option and this will initiate the purchase. Just add in here a payment method that you wish to choose. On my country, they support card, PayPal, as well as more options right here like Maya, ShopeePay, and GCash. So into this, you just need to purchase the premium plan in order to get the premium features. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.